Hi everyone, it's me, Pastel, and I'm so excited to draw with you today. This time we are drawing this very silly little snake friend. So let's get started. First, I'm going to open to a fresh new page in my sketchbook. And I want to use my green crayon today. And the first thing we're going to draw, we're going to start with our snake's eyes. And he's got some very big, silly eyes. I think they're very cute. So I'm going to draw an oval here for one eye and an overlapping oval for the other one. So I'm going to start here, go around and back up, but I'm not going to close the oval. That way it looks like this one is sitting on top of this one. Okay, let's add some pupils to our snake's eyes. You can make them a little bit wonky if you want to. That just adds to the cuteness. And there we go. Okay, now for the rest of our snake's face, we're going to do another sort of oval shape. There we are. And two little curved lines for nostrils. All right, now from right about here, not in the middle, but just a little bit to the right, I'm going to draw a line down that ends in a little curve. And then on the other side, I'm going to go down and around the curve I just drew and meet again right here. It's kind of at our snake's neck, I guess. Then on the other side, I'm going to draw another big oval shape down and around. Now, very last step is let's draw the tip of our snake's tail. See, he's got a nice coil going on. Let's make sure we can see his tail. So from right about here, I'm going to do a little curved line out like that. Then from the tip, I'm going to bring it back to meet his body again. Oh, and I forgot something very important. Let's give him a tongue. Snakes have forked little tongues. This is how they smell. Isn't that fascinating? They can smell with their tongues. We smell with our noses, but they use their tongues. So we'll draw a curved line down, then a little V shape to draw a forked tongue, then another curved line up. Now our snake has a tongue. And let's not forget little eyebrows for extra cuteness. All right, and there we have it. There's our silly snake friend. Do you like how yours turned out? Oh, I hope you feel so proud of it. Thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.